Artificial intelligence is everywhere from voice assistants to movie recommendations. But when people talk about AI, they often mention two terms machine learning and deep learning. Are they the same thing? Not quite. Today, we'll break it down in simple terms with a clear analogy. Imagine you're teaching a child to recognize animals. Machine learning is like showing the child hundreds of labeled pictures and guiding them. This is a cat, this is a dog. Deep learning is like letting the child observe thousands of pictures and figure out patterns on their own, first noticing edges, then shapes, then full features until they can recognize the animal independently. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of AI that focuses on teaching computers to recognize patterns in data. Think of it as a student learning from examples. If you give a computer hundreds of photos labeled cat or dog, it will learn to predict whether a new photo is a cat or a dog. Machine learning usually works best for problems where the features are clear and structured. Some examples include predicting house prices based on size, location, and number of bedrooms, detecting spam emails, recommending products based on previous purchases. The key idea: machine learning relies on humans providing clear instructions or labeled examples. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with many layers, hence the term deep. Returning to our child analogy, deep learning is like giving the child a huge library of animal pictures without any labels and letting them figure out patterns on their own. The first layer might detect simple edges in the images. The next layer identifies shapes and contours. Subsequent layers detect textures, patterns, or features. The final layer concludes, "This is a cat." Deep learning shines when handling very large, complex datasets. Some common examples are image recognition like Google Photos identifying faces, voice assistant Siri, Alexa, natural language processing ChatGPT, translation tools. It requires more data and computational power than traditional machine learning, but it can learn highly complex patterns automatically. All deep learning is machine learning, but not all machine learning is deep learning. Machine learning, guided, relies on human-labeled data, simpler models. Deep learning, autonomous, multi-layered networks, handles complex patterns. In simple terms, if machine learning is teaching a child with labeled flashcards, deep learning is letting the child explore thousands of examples and figure out the rules themselves. Understanding the difference between machine learning and deep learning is essential for grasping how AI works and why some tasks need simple models, while others require massive, complex neural networks. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI tutorials. AI Made Easy series.